knowledge lesson, and today we are learning to explain how different structures resist force. For starters, we are going to define the term force. Force simply means a form of power that exerts pressure on structures. So if I press here, I am applying force to this ruler. So there are different causes of force. Number one, we've got gravity, we've got wind, gas, and friction. So for example, when the wind is blowing, it causes force or it exerts pressure on other structures. And also the force of gravity. For example, if I throw this pen up, the force of gravity is causing it to come down. So usually, the force of gravity usually causes what we call compressional force. And this is a beam, and I'm going to demonstrate here how the two types of forces, the compressional force and the tensional force, cause pressure on objects or on structures. So here is the beam. I'm going to demonstrate here. If I put pressure here, I am putting what we call compressional force, which is usually caused by the force of gravity. And this compressional force is actually exerted on top here. But here at the bottom, we have got what we call tensional force, whereby there will be tightness of the structure here at the bottom. So this is what I have demonstrated here on this beam. Usually you find these beams on top of doors and windows when a structure is being constructed. Right. Let's move to this roof truss. On roof trusses, we have got the compressional force, which is demonstrated, which is shown by these arrows. Right. So there is compressional force, and at the bottom here, the structure has to withstand tensional force. So these are the two types of forces that we have. Tensional force, it causes tightness here, usually at the bottom, and the compressional force, it causes firmness, usually caused by the force of gravity. So your task for today is to find out how bridges and demos or even other structures withstand force. Thank you, boys and girls.